everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make a toasted sandwich. I have a grill toasted sandwich maker, meaning that I can also grill like patties for burgers and things like that on here, as well as just making a regular toasted sandwich. So I just put down 2 pieces of bread. I'm just going to be making 1 sandwich today, but if I was making 2, I would put these 2 pieces down, then I would put the stuff on top of them, and then I would get 2 more pieces of bread to make the sandwiches. But today I'm only making 1, so these are both of the pieces of bread. So next we have the cheese. Now, like I said, normally I would make 2 toasted sandwiches, so I'd put 1 piece of cheese here and another piece of cheese here, but I'm only making 1 today, so this is the top of the bread. I just have 2 pieces of salami. You might want to put some tomato on here. I am someone who thinks that tomato can get kind of gross in a toasted sandwich, so whether you like that or not is up to you. So if you want, you can add tomato to this, but this is just a regular salami and cheese toasted sandwich. Now we're going to put this bit of bread on top. Just center it so it cooks really well, and then we're going to put it down and switch this on. And now we just wait for it to heat up. Here is our cheese and salami toasted sandwich. Now it's time to try it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then smash it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to share this video with your friends if you'd like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!